Hi everybody, Brian here. In this video I'm going to run through cruise control functions. I know for some of you people this is really obvious, but on Hyundais, for example, we're sitting in a 930 and the Kona is quite similar, the Tucson's quite similar. All these cars from about kind of 2016, 17, 18 onwards, they all have kind of a similar sort of setup function on the steering wheel. So I'm going to run through that. For anybody that is not familiar, they might be familiar of what it is, but they mightn't have used it before, so this video might be helpful. If there's anything I've missed, just let me know in the comment section below, and if you think the video is useful during it, please do like and subscribe. For me, cruise control is really only useful on a motorway. You can use it in urban built-up settings, but there's so many things going on that you chop and change your speed, it becomes kind of pointless. You use cruise control because you want to cruise. Next time you're in the car then, have a look to the right hand side of your steering wheel and observe the controls that are situated there. And next time you're out on the road, once you're in a motorway area, press the symbol in the top right hand side, which is your mode button, and that allows you to select either cruise control or speed limiter, and in this case we're going to go for cruise. The function of that mode button is literally to make cruise control available or the speed limiter available. It doesn't mean it's engaged, it just means it's available. After you've pressed that button then, you'll also notice up in the middle of the screen you'll have a little clock symbol and the word cruise written beside it, and now you know that cruise is available to use. So that means once you feel like you're in the right environment, hit the set button, and then after that on your screen you'll see cruise comes up with the little word set beside it, and now you can take your foot off the pedal and the car will maintain your speed for you. And if you want to speed up or slow down, you still don't even have to touch any pedals, because what you can do is, looking on the panel, you can actually press the up or down. If you see there's a little plus or minus sign, which regulates the speed without touching the pedals. Eventually you will come up behind something that's in your way and you will have to adjust your speed. So at that point, if you use the clutch or if you use the brake, the cruise control is completely disengaged, which means you're back in control. However, it is still going to be available because we haven't touched the main button. So if you want to resume where you were, you could press set again, or you could just hit RES and that will resume the speed you were at. So if you were doing 72 before, it's going to get you back up to that speed again. And once you finish your motorway journey then, if you're completely finished with cruise control, like what we said, you can either clutch or brake, or you can hit this cancel button in the middle as well to disengage the cruise control. The other function then that people use on these controls is speed limiter. The job of this function is basically to stop you exceeding the speed that you desire. So to activate it, what you do is, first of all, hit the main button like we did with the cruise control first of all. And then if you hit that main mode button a second time, you'll see the symbol on the screen moves from cruise to being limit. And once you're at the desired speed, then you hit the set button like you did with the cruise control. The speed that you've nominated then appears at the center of your speedometer, so you know what you've chosen, and no matter what you do then after that, if you try to accelerate past it, the car will not let you. And like what we saw on cruise control, if you want to regulate it, you can reduce the limit you've set, or you can increase it by using the cursor. Once you're finished using the function then, what you can do is hit the cancel button in the middle of the cursor, which disables it, or if you put the accelerator all the way to the floor, not half, not 3/4, fully to the floor, that will also override the function and disable it as well. And once you're finished using the function, you can hit the main button and turn it off. But to be honest with you, in my opinion, you can leave the main button on forever, and that means these functions are literally one tap away. Anyway, hopefully the video has been useful. If there's anything else you want me to cover on any other aspects of the cars, please do let me know in the comment section below. And also, if you think the video is useful, please do like and subscribe, because it lets me know the video is useful. And thanks for taking time to watch.